We welcome you to LITCO Machinery Private Limited, one of the leading manufacturers and exporters in pharmaceutical, cosmetics, chemical, Ayurvedic, food and allied industries. The journey began with Ashoka Enterprises, founded in 1990 in Kolkata, India, with the vision to manufacture world-class and affordable pharmaceutical machinery for the industry. Today, LITCO Machinery has carried forward that legacy with the same vision and added mission to ensure highly efficient and quality machinery with the best after-sales service through continuous technological upgradation. LITCO designs and manufactures all their machineries for maintaining current good manufacturing practices. Liquid, injectable, and ointment processing and packaging machinery, along with tablet and granulation line machinery. R&D machinery is also an important section of their development. Emphasis on the latest designs and automations such as aseptic design, contactless magnetic mixer, integrated vacuum transfer system and CFR21 SCADA automation are specially made for the evolving pharmaceutical industry. With their immense industrial experience, they have developed special expertise in designing various customized processing plants and equipment for their clients. Innovation is at the heart of LITCO's foundation. As a result, they have managed to extend their footprint further in cosmetics, Ayurvedic, chemical, homeopathic, and food industries. With over 2,500 plus machines installed at over 200 notable locations, both in India and abroad, LITCO has consistently claimed the biggest appreciation and satisfaction from all their clients. With a highly motivated and hardworking team of designers, engineers, technicians, with astute leadership and almost 40 years of industrial experience from the founders, and a new modernized factory under construction, LITCO strives to continue to build state-of-the-art machinery with the latest automation and technology. So, let us embark on this innovative path of quality, affordable, and exceptional machinery designed and manufactured by LITCO Machinery. Contact us and follow us on www.litcoindia.com if you also want to be a part of this journey. Thank you for watching.